What if you could earn $150 in just 1 hour from your laptop, helping someone change their life? No experience, no followers, no fancy degrees. That's exactly what beginner coaches are doing right now, inside the $15 billion online coaching boom of 2025. In this video, I'll show you how people are building real income by teaching what they know, even if they're just one step ahead. Let's break it all down. Think about it. Every single day, millions of people wake up feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or desperate for change in their lives. They're scrolling through social media, searching for answers, looking for someone who can guide them from where they are to where they want to be. And that someone could be you. But here's what most people don't realize. Online coaching isn't about having all the answers. It's about being one step ahead of the person you're helping and having the courage to reach back and pull them forward. So what exactly is online coaching? Imagine being a GPS for someone's life journey. You don't need to travel every road yourself, but you need to understand the terrain and help people navigate from point A to point B. Online coaching is the art and science of guiding people through transformation using digital platforms. You could be helping someone rewire their mindset to break through limiting beliefs, coaching an entrepreneur to scale their business from 5 figures to 6, or supporting someone on their wellness journey to lose weight and gain confidence. The beauty of this space lies in its diversity. You've got mindset coaches helping people overcome anxiety and build confidence, life coaches supporting major transitions like career changes or relationship challenges, business coaches teaching marketing strategies and leadership skills, wellness coaches focusing on nutrition, fitness, and mental health, even specialized niches like music coaching, public speaking, or productivity coaching. And here's the real-world proof. Sarah, a former teacher from Ohio, now works 3 days a week helping burned-out professionals beat overwhelm. She makes more than she ever did in the classroom, from her living room. Why is everyone suddenly talking about online coaching? 3 massive shifts happened that created a perfect storm. 1. The pandemic made virtual services the new normal. 2. Traditional careers feel unstable, so people want more control over their income. And 3, there's an explosion of demand for personal growth. People are investing in themselves like never before. Let's break down the 3 most profitable coaching niches right now. 1. Mindset and personal growth coaching. This is where you help people identify and eliminate the mental blocks holding them back. Coaches in this space often charge $100 to $300 per session. According to ZipRecruiter, average annual income for mindset coaches is over $60,000, with top earners well into 6 figures. 2. Business and career coaching. You're helping entrepreneurs or professionals increase income and impact. If your strategies help someone earn $10,000 more per month, charging $2,000 for your coaching is a no-brainer. Many coaches offer programs or retainers worth $3,000 to $10,000. 3. Health and wellness coaching. With rising healthcare costs, more people are turning to wellness coaches for prevention and support. This niche focuses on creating lasting lifestyle changes. Sessions typically range from $75 to $250, and many coaches build memberships or group coaching models. Another niche on the rise is performance coaching, especially in areas like productivity, time management, and leadership. In a world overloaded with distractions, helping people stay focused and effective is a high-demand skill, especially for founders, managers, and high performers. And don't overlook creative coaching, like music or art coaching. These niches might seem small, but passionate audiences are often willing to pay a premium for personalized help, especially with platforms like Patreon or Skillshare offering new monetization routes. Now, what does it actually take to succeed? Forget fancy credentials. What you really need is credibility, built through personal experience or client results; clarity, the ability to break down complex ideas; empathy, meeting clients where they are without judgment. And on the tech side, Zoom is still the gold standard for calls. Platforms like Simply Coach, Practice, and Coach Accountable offer all-in-one solutions for scheduling, payments, and client management, ideal for streamlining your coaching workflow. If you're looking to scale with digital products, Kajabi, Thinkific, and Teachable let you create and sell online courses with ease. Use Stripe to handle payments securely and Calendly to automate bookings. Many coaches also rely on tools like Notion or Trello for tracking client progress, Loom for sending personalized video feedback, and Slack to build a sense of community. These low-cost tools not only boost your efficiency, they increase your perceived value too. And how do you get clients? By creating value before asking for payment. Post insights on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, share mini webinars, free PDFs, or tips, offer free discovery calls to build trust. Every post should answer, how does this help my ideal client reach their goal? Don't skip email lists. Your followers are borrowed. Your email list is yours. Now let's be real. You'll face challenges. Competition exists, but you don't need millions, just your tribe. Self-doubt, normal. Help anyway. You only need to be one step ahead. Niching down feels risky, but the riches are in the niches. Don't waste energy chasing perfect branding or a logo. What matters more is solving problems, offering clarity, and showing up consistently. What about pricing? Start with $50 per session if needed. Raise as you grow. Let your value, not your self-worth, determine your price. The long-term potential? Beginner coaches start with a few hundred per month. Experienced ones earn $300 to $500 per session. Group coaching, masterminds, and digital courses can scale this to 6 or even 7 figures. Some scale even further by training other coaches, licensing frameworks, or launching communities. At that point, coaching becomes an ecosystem. And here's something few people talk about: the emotional reward. As a coach, you don't just earn money. You see real transformation in others. You get messages from clients saying, "You changed my life," or "I finally believe in myself." And that kind of impact, that stays with you forever. One of the smartest moves you can make early on is joining or creating a coaching community. Whether it's a mastermind, a weekly Zoom group, or even a Discord server, being surrounded by other coaches keeps you sharp, accountable, and supported. The journey can feel lonely, but it doesn't have to be. Also, don't underestimate the power of documenting your journey. Share your first coaching win, your first mistake, your mindset shifts. People don't connect to perfection, they connect to progress. Your transparency becomes your brand. Another powerful step most beginner coaches miss: building a simple personal brand. It doesn't mean perfect logos or fancy gear. It means being consistent in what you say, how you show up, and who you help. A strong personal brand doesn't just attract clients, it attracts the right clients. And as your brand grows, so does your pricing power, your reach, and your impact. Here's the big idea. You don't need permission to start. You don't need 1 million followers. You just need the willingness to serve and the courage to show up. Coaching is not just a business, it's a movement, it's a ripple effect, and your voice could change someone's life. So take the first step. Pick your niche, post your first tip, open that Zoom link, subscribe to Wealth Wizards, and watch our other deep dives to build your digital income journey. Your transformation starts today.